One of the most exciting things for people when they're entertaining is being able to put out a little hors d'oeuvre dish. And one of the ways that I like to do it is actually smoke some venison. And that's what we're gonna do right here today. And all I'll do is soak mine in a Ziploc bag. And when it comes time to start the smoking process, I'll just prepare it like this. And I leave it whole for the basics of what we're gonna do right now, because once we take it out, I'm gonna trim it up and I'll put it on the plate with the cheese. So it's, once again, like I said, it's very simple. And I'll use these Bradley Smoker Magic Mats, which are easy to clean up. These mats don't stick. Once I'm done smoking it, I just pull my rack right out of the smoker. And I actually will trim mine up very small because they're gonna be so much of a favorite that they'll be gone lickety-spit, and the rest of the guys that are coming in later, they won't get any. So cut them small, mix them up with some cheese and crackers, and they will absolutely be loved. Let's put this in the smoker. What I like to do is I'm gonna go ahead and set my temperature down about 225, 230 range is where I like to smoke the venison at. I'm actually gonna go ahead and turn my timer down, because you really don't want to cook this more than an hour when you start talking about just two pieces there. But around 45 minutes, I wanna check it, and I wanna look for an internal temperature of about 145 degrees on backstrap and tenderloin. That's about perfect in those situations. And I'm also going to digitally change my timer on my smoker as far as how much I'm going to deliver, and I'm gonna set it at 40. And that is about how I'll set it up when it comes to backstrap or tenderloin, and it will come out perfect in those situations. And you've got a multitude of biscuits that you can mix in here based on your personal preferences. So when we take this out, we're gonna be trimming it up. We're gonna put hors d'oeuvres out at a gathering that people are just absolutely gonna love. That is some tender, juicy venison right there. Don't think you can find it much better.